Welcome to Erica's English. We're at the Queen Victoria Building here in Sydney. Learn with me. Let's have fun. Welcome to Erica's English. Today we're in a cafe in Sydney and we're going to learn the present continuous tense. It's for actions happening now. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi. Could I have a latte, please?
Just the standard size or large latte?
Just standard, please. Yes, that's all. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. I am drinking coffee. I'm drinking coffee. We're going to learn the present continuous tense. It's for actions happening now. For example, I am drinking a coffee. I am drinking a coffee. I am drinking a latte. I'm holding the latte. I'm holding the glass. I am holding the glass. This is the glass. I'm tasting the coffee. It tastes lovely. So now I'm picking up my cup and I'm sipping the coffee. It's delicious. I'm taking a sip of coffee. I'm taking a sip of coffee. I am drinking coffee in the cafe. I'm teaching you English. I'm speaking English. I'm doing these things now. So we use the present continuous tense. I am the subject. I am, form of the be verb. I am drinking. Drink is the verb. Drink, and then ing. I am drinking the coffee. I am drinking the coffee. What am I doing is the question. What am I doing? I am drinking the coffee. I am taking a sip. Take, ing. Taking a sip. I am having a coffee. I am having a coffee. I am enjoying the coffee. I am enjoying the coffee. I am enjoying the coffee. What am I doing? I am enjoying the coffee. I am drinking the coffee. It tastes great. Do you like coffee? I love coffee. Okay, I am getting some of the foam with my spoon and I am having a mouthful of coffee. I'm having a mouthful of coffee. I am sitting here in the cafe We use the present continuous tense for actions happening now. Now I am drinking coffee. It's also for actions happening like around now. For example, today. Today I am going shopping in Sydney. Today I am going to walk around in Sydney. Today I am going sightseeing in Sydney. Today I'm visiting a friend in Sydney. Today I'm going to an art gallery in Sydney.
Or having fun, an anxious environment that they have fun in.
It can also be used for actions this week or this month. So not just today and in the moment, but also this week and this month. This week I will be in Sydney. This month I'm teaching in Sydney. What are you doing right now? Tell me in the description. What are you doing right now? I love it. It's so lovely to be here. Are you having fun learning English with me? Please like and subscribe. And check the Quizlet link below so you can learn this language on your mobile phone.